Here's how to add child to Apple Pay. So the first step is to open up the settings, and then you just have to tap on your name at the top. Now after we do that, we just have to scroll down and then tap on family, and then here you should see your child account. Now simply tap on it, and then after that we just have to scroll down until we see Apple Cash. So simply tap on it, and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply tap on setup Apple Cash. So as you can see, allow Jake to spend, send and receive money using Apple Cash. So tap on setup Apple Cash. Now after that we just have to simply tap on continue, and then we just have to simply verify our identity. So here basically we'll create a brand new Apple Cash account for them that they will have in their Apple account, and then they can use it to make payments and you'll have access to it. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.